ClickUp versus Todoist. Two giants in the productivity world. But which one really delivers? On the left, ClickUp, the all-in-one productivity powerhouse. On the right, Todoist, designed for keeping tasks simple, fast, and calm. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category racks up points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top for 2025. The result might just surprise you. Okay, so here's how we're going to compare these two. We're looking at feature depth, team collaboration, time tracking, automation and AI, integrations, price and plans, and huge one, user experience. Picture a mind map with all these branches, because honestly, each of these can make or break your productivity game. First up, feature depth. So ClickUp is like, wow, it's got layers. You get a full-on project management suite, list views, board views, Gantt charts, mind maps, you name it. Like, if you want advanced automations, built-in docs and goals, even real-time chat, it's there. But I'll say, for small teams, it might feel bloated. There is a real learning curve. Now, shifting over to Todoist, it's all about speed. Tasks are lightning fast, the interface is super clean, and honestly, it's easy for solo folks or little teams. But don't expect project views or stuff like Gantt charts. So if you're after pro-level features, ClickUp clearly wins here. On to team collaboration. So yeah, ClickUp pulls out all the stops. Roles, permissions, and even guest access if you want to bring outsiders in. You've got real-time chat, mentions, the works. Sometimes the UI feels so packed it can kind of get in the way of team flow though. Now, Todoist, task sharing is straightforward. Assignments work for small teams, and honestly, it's just simple. But don't expect advanced stuff like team dashboards or fine-tuned permissions. If your squad needs legit collaboration, ClickUp is ahead again. Time tracking. Okay, if you geek out over timesheets and tracking every second, ClickUp's got you. You can natively track time, set estimates, run timesheets. It's in there, though you'll need to set it up right. Todoist, though, doesn't have built-in time tracking. You can daisy chain every hour or set simple reminders, but let's be real, it's not the same thing. ClickUp snags this category, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool before we jump ahead. Did you know Todoist was one of the pioneers of task management? It's been around for ages. Meanwhile, ClickUp is that everything app that's trying to be the center of work for teams. Just a little story to spice things up. Let's talk automation and AI. ClickUp comes with built-in automations, recurring tasks, templates, the whole deal. There's some AI stuff baked in, but sometimes it's meh. Still, it handles complex workflows. Todoist, on the flip side, crushes quick adds with natural language, and their AI assistant is slick for fast entries. But if you want robust automations, Todoist makes you rely on Zapier and third-party magic. Winner here? Yep, still ClickUp. Moving to integrations. ClickUp is honestly a monster. Over 1,000 plus integrations, both native and through Zapier. Want a custom workflow? Public APIs waiting for you. Can it get overwhelming? Definitely. Todoist keeps things direct and simple. You've got Slack, Google Calendar, Gmail, just enough for most folks, and it's easy to set up. But for sheer volume, ClickUp edges ahead again. Now, price and plans. This is where Todoist finally flips the script. ClickUp's got free plans, sure, and it scales great for teams. But, this is a big but, the pricing tiers get complicated, and you might end up paying for stuff you don't use. Todoist, though, keeps it predictable. Free plans awesome for individuals, up to 5 projects, and everything feels affordable. Their business plans are a bit pricier per user, but it's straightforward overall. This round, Todoist wins. Last up, user experience. ClickUp is crazy customizable. Seriously, you can tweak basically everything. For unique workflows, it's powerful, but man, the UI is messy, and you really have to invest time to get it. Todoist is like a breath of fresh air here. Clean, fast. Onboarding takes no time at all. You'll find yourself actually enjoying focused work. Sure, it can get too simple for super complex projects, but for the everyday user, Todoist takes the crown. If you line up all the categories on a radar chart, ClickUp's got pretty much everything covered except price and user experience, where Todoist shines. It's like watching two different athletes. ClickUp's got the gear, Todoist's got the style. So, if you need to handle big, complex projects with a whole squad, ClickUp is your pick, hands down. But if you're after speed and a Zen-like simplicity, Todoist is honestly perfect for keeping life calm and under control. If you found this breakdown useful, Take a look yourself and see which vibe fits your workflow best. Try out ClickUp or Todoist the next time you're starting a new project.